everybody. It's another day, another dollar. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's another episode on the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing my rear sway bar on my Evo 8. The wheels are off right now. They're off to Mikey's to get painted. The wheels we stripped from the last video. And today I'm going to attempt to install this Whiteline 24mm rear sway bar along with the Whiteline mount kit. Basically what that does is it remounts, well, it changes the way the sway bar mounts. It doesn't hang from the subframe like the stock one does. The mounts bolt up to where the stock mounts go, and then the sway bar butts up to that. It makes it a much more rigid mounting position. Since I have the wheels out to get painted, the car's already raised. So the first thing you truly want to do is take the exhaust off. I have this Greddy titanium exhaust, so we're gonna take those two bolts out, remove the exhaust, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the sway bar links, which is over here. You just gotta unbolt it from the sway bar, and then these bolts come out. These two, I think these are 14mm bolts, come out right here, and then there's another bolt in the back you gotta remove, and then the sway bar should come down. You can see here I have the sway bar, the stock sway bar unbolted, but it gets hung up on the axle right here. So we're gonna have to remove this lower control arm so that we can slide the sway bar back out and then put the new one in. So we're gonna unbolt these two bolts, swing this arm down, and we should get the clearance we need. So the stock sway bar is out. I only had to remove one lower control arm, or unbolt it and swing it out, because once you swing one out, you can just swing the sway bar out all at the same time, and then put the new sway bar back on. So now that the stock sway bar is out, you're gonna replace the these mounting brackets from Mitsubishi. You're gonna replace with these mounting brackets from Whiteline. What happens is this bolts up to the subframe like so, and then the sway bar bolts up to the bottom there with these supplied nuts and bolts. You'll want to use this bushing lubricant inside of here to get on the sway bar, and then you'll just use the stock bolts through here onto the subframe. And then once that's on, you just slide the sway bar in and use these brackets to put the sway bar on. That's the part number for the mount kit. It's pretty straightforward. The mounts go where the bolts go. So now the sway bar will butt up against that, and we can put this arm back up, and it'll be easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's as easy as that. It's just bolting it on, taking it off, bolting it on. So, and I'll show you the finished product. Once you bolt your mounts up, just bolt the sway bar up, put your sway bar links back in, put the arms back in, and that's it. Fairly easy install, maybe a 6 out of 10, if that. Unless you're brain dead, you kind of can't mess this up. But that's it for today. Next time, hopefully we got the wheels back from Mikey, and we can put this thing back on the ground. So till next time, see ya.